What does the day in the life of an insurance agent look like? Stacks of paperwork, overwhelmed professionals, and a ticking clock. Well, not anymore. From ditching paper cuts to automating mundane tasks, artificial intelligence is revamping the insurance industry for the better. However, implementing AI in insurance requires significant time and expertise. In this video, we'll explore how Maruti Techlabs automated the underwriting process for EverSafe Insurance by leveraging OCR.
Our client EverSafe Insurance struggled with the manual processing of documents for underwriting across auto, life, health, and other insurance services. Underwriting became a paper-heavy burden, impacting their employees' efficiency and risking customer satisfaction. They needed a powerhouse software that digitized documents by cross-verifying information and offer centralized data storage. Developing a Python-based OCR, understanding the project scope, we developed a model to automate the underwriting process using machine learning and optical character recognition. We created a Python-based OCR model to look for inconsistencies, missing information, or application errors. These applications will be flagged for manual review, and the unflagged documents will be sent to the underwriters for processing. Here's how we did it in 3 steps. Step 1. Pre-processing is the foremost step in tasks that include an image recognition component. We leverage PyTorch for image augmentation, resizing, and noise reduction. Step 1 is followed by Step 2, text detection. Here we use real-time object detection with YOLO v5 and train models to anticipate bounding boxes around data points on images to be extracted and verified. This process concludes with Step 3, recognition of characters. This brings us to the final step, where the characters enclosed in the prior need recognition. To achieve this, we employed Tesseract. It extracted data points and cross-verified them with other documents based on business rules. Subsequently, decisions were made regarding any potentially incorrect information within the application. We use tools like Jira for project management, Google Meet for progress updates, and Slack for everyday conversations. Crafting a tailored OCR model is all about the right tech stack. Here's the complete list of technologies employed for this project's development. For the front end, we use HTML5, CSS3, and Bootstrap. For machine learning, we chose PyTorch. We utilized Tesseract for optical character recognition and YOLO v5 for object detection. Our asynchronous server was AIO-HTTP, and we handled asynchronous code with Asyncio.
By integrating OCR with underwriting, we unlocked key benefits and value for our client. Reduced the risk of data duplication, boosting the accuracy of claimant data. Our model streamlined the claims management process, saving 40% of the time typically spent on manual underwriting. And that's not all. It also beefed up our client security by providing actionable insights into potential fraud with risk scoring. To address the limitations of manual underwriting, you can implement the following specific advancement. Start by converting documents such as FNLOs, driver's license, and bank statements into digitized formats. Then, cross-reference the digitized data with originals without skipping or duplicating data. And finally, you can process multiple applications simultaneously and share verification status within an estimated timeframe. Submit the form in the description box below and let our team enhance your document processing workflow for increased efficiency and accuracy.